What can I do?
Bank of Ceylon is the main sponsor in this festival of cricket. This is the third occasion we are sponsoring this event. And the Bank of Ceylon is the #1 bank in Sri Lanka. We have a branch here in London. Our branch opened in London in 1949. So we are here over 60 years, and we are catering mainly to Sri Lankan community in UK. We have very attractive Bank of Ceylon products for our diaspora in UK. Number one product is NRFC, non-resident foreign currency account. Any Sri Lankans living in abroad are entitled to open this NRFC account. They get a lot of benefits, including very attractive interest rates and 20% bonus for the interest component without any tax. So it is a very attractive product for Sri Lankans living in abroad and earning abroad. They can invest their whatever the investment with our Bank of Ceylon deposit accounts and earn a lot of benefits, including free insurance cover for 1 million rupees. So our intention is to go to the general public and be with them all the time. Thank you. Yeah. Dr. Gamini Wickramasinghe, Chairman Bank of Ceylon, is with us. He came all the way from Sri Lanka, and he will be the guest of honor in this festival of cricket. Okay, now our chairman will speak some words.
Anyway, I'm very happy to be here today at this festival of cricket. This is the third year, successive year, we are sponsoring this program, and I hope we'll continue that in the future. So this is a good occasion that all Sri Lankans are together after the war. I hope all different parts of the country, different schools who were participating at the very beginning, the schools from the north, and then they didn't participate subsequently. Now all of them will get together and make this festival of cricket one unified event for all Sri Lankans to come and enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, Martin Prescott is the ward councillor for Winchmore Hill, and he very kindly accepted our invitation this year to be present for this festival. And he and his wife, are going to be with us for lunch and then for a short while after. And we hope that he will come again next year and be here in full regalia as the mayor of the borough.
Not sure that's what would happen.
It's
very nice of you to invite me. I really appreciate it. And you're, of course, very welcome in Winchmore Hill. We're very pleased to have you. It's lovely to see such a warm and peaceful gathering of people on a day like this. I just hope that the stays good for you for the rest of the day. Thank you very much for inviting me.
The FOC is all collection of 24 schools OBAs. So we have get together and we are collecting this raffle draw and donating the money all collected to the Maharagama Cancer Hospital. So this year last year we have donated with the medical aid a mammogram machine, and this year we are planning to deliver a photo processor. So it's about 1.3 million rupees. So we hope everybody will support us to this good cause.
Is this the booking center?
Yes, that's right.
Right.
Hi, good morning. We are at the FOC today. It's a lovely day for cricket, and we are at the Sri Lankan stand. We are offering some special offers on tickets to Colombo. Basically, it's £50 off from the normal fare. So please come in and visit our stand and purchase your tickets as soon as possible. And this offer is valid only for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
We have tourist board. We just some leaflets and our magazine about Sri Lanka, and also some posters over there, and some hotels for local people, residents here. Take some of all the information about Sri Lanka you visit.
Okay, this is the MCG group. Official money transfers to Sri Lanka, Fast Cash, which is a household name here in the UK. The MCG Group was also the 2005 main sponsor of the F4C. I mean, ever since then, we have been a part of the F4C. As you know, Fast Cash has been going in the UK since 1999. And today we have over 60,000 Sri Lankans who send money to Sri Lanka from the UK. Worldwide, we have got over 400,000 Sri Lankans who send money. So it's a pleasure to be at the F4C 2009. Thank you.
Thank you. What you're doing?
So I'm from Lucknow TV. So this is the one and only singular program to telecast to UK and Europe. We were established on 2006 and we are continuing for nearly 3 years in Lucknow TV in Sky Digital 805 Monday to Friday, and we are publishing Lanka Today newspaper. It is a monthly newspaper and we are continuing since 2003. And I am the old broadcaster who have been established from 1995 to 2003 in Lanka Udane Radio at telecast on Sunrise Radio. And I am with the Sri Lankan media who helping for the Sri Lankan community in UK. Thank you.
And here we have.
So we are Trico Freight Shipping. We have been supporting the Sri Lanka community for last 15 years, and we are specializing in shipping to Sri Lanka. We come every year to support the Sri Lankan community, and we take part on the F4C every year. Okay, that's it.